Hi, we're here at CRC in Robertsdale, Alabama, and we're going to talk about the Torque Monster cylinder bench machine and cover some of the most amazing features. The main differences between the HTW50 and the HTW100 is the HTW50 has 50,000 foot-pounds of torque and the HTW100 has 100,000 foot-pounds of torque. The answer is nothing. You will be given everything you need in the basic package to get started. So the bench comes standard with a gland wrench set. It has these teeth that can be tightened to secure to the gland, or for a head gland with a spanner wrench, there is an attachment you can put on here to put pins in the spanner wrench holes. That's no problem. You can purchase the entire bench or just the parts you need. And this is beneficial for companies who already have their own bench because you can get these parts modified to fit the one you already have. No, the bench does not come with a test stand. We have two options, the low pressure and high pressure. The low pressure test cylinder is up to 3,000 PSI and is a beneficial test stand because it also powers the bench, so you won't need to purchase a power unit. The high pressure can test up to 5,000 PSI. Yes, we keep a complete bench here in stock in Robertsdale, and you can come check it out before you make a purchase. There's also demo videos available on YouTube. So the HTW50 can accommodate up to an 18-inch barrel, while the HTW100 can go up to 30 inches. So short answer is yes. Depending on your bench's design, all attachments can be modified to fit yours. The easiest modifications are for benches designed with C-channel beams. You know, we can adjust to fit the width of your bench, and it's not too hard to customize. So freight is not included in the price, but you will receive freight cost on your formal quote. So standard power setup on this machine is a 220 volt single phase, but that can also be customized to fit your shop's needs. Standard lead time for the complete setup, that includes the table, the attachments, and the head, is 4 to 6 weeks. This machine comes equipped with a lifetime warranty. Yes, we do offer financing options for those who need it. Yes, all the attachments can be customized at no additional cost. Just talk to us about your needs. Setup for this machine is fairly simple. You should be able to have it set up and running within 1 day. So depending on your requirements, most packages are starting around the mid 40,000s. If you're needing a quote or looking to purchase or have any more questions, feel free to reach out to us on our website or give us a call.